This guide makes receiving a Western Union cash transfer simple. Get ready to learn the quick, secure procedure. To receive your cash, first ask the sender for two things: their full name and the critical 10-digit money transfer control number, or MTCN. You cannot collect funds without this MTCN. Next, find your nearest Western Union agent location, which could be a bank, post office, or retail store. Upon arrival, you will need to complete a simple Receive Money form. This form requires the sender's details, the country where the money was sent from, the expected amount, and of course, the MTCN. Hand this form and your valid government-issued photo ID to the agent. The agent will verify the details using the MTCN. Once approved, you sign a receipt and receive your cash instantly. That's the entire Western Union cash transfer process for cash pickup. Here are 5 critical tips for a smooth money pickup. 1. Verify the MTCN. Always double-check the MTCN with the sender. An incorrect digit means no money. This is the single most important tracking number for your funds. 2. Carry valid photo ID. A passport, driving license, or national ID is mandatory. The name on your ID must exactly match the receiver name provided by the sender. 3. Know the exact amount and sender details. You must know the amount sent and the sender's full name and country of origin to complete the form. 4. Check operating hours and limits. Confirm the agent location's operating hours and any local payout limits before your visit, especially for large international money transfer amounts. 5. Keep the receipt. Always take and keep the receipt. It is your proof of transaction completion for the Western Union cash transfer. Apply these tips for a hassle-free, successful cash pickup every time.